Hello, this is a demo of Cyrus, a tool that stores and produces repetitive information and puts it into your clipboard to help you work smarter with your computer. In this demo, I'm just going to show you how we can create a slightly more complex snippet, one with placeholders, and then how we can actually use that perhaps in our email program. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut, Command-Alt-C. That'll bring up this message here, and I want to create a new snippet. So I've just typed the word create and I can get to the new snippet. I could also search for CNS, and you can see it highlights the matches as it finds it. Hitting enter on that will bring us into this screen, and we're going to call this the spam email template. And then we'll say email template to send to marketers to get taken off of their lists. And we're going to set some tags. Tags are just used to organize our snippets. So we'll have a personal one, work one, and then we'll write our letter. So it's going to be something like dear sir or madam, please take me off your email. Do not remember signing up. Sincerely, and my name. And so that could be our snippet. But what we might want to do is we might want to be able to customize, say, this part of it, which is the recipient, based on perhaps how we're feeling. So what we can do is we can actually set up as a placeholder recipient, and then that makes this placeholders tab available. I can enter in different options for my recipient, so I can say dear sir or madam, who it may concern, say to unwelcome marketer if I'm feeling particularly angry. And if we go back to here, so that's our recipient taken care of. We've got that I do not remember signing up. Maybe we'll make that into a placeholder as well, so we can have different reasons. So percent reason, and in here we've got the I do not remember signing up. We could say you are sending me too many emails, or I am no longer interested in your products. And finally, we can get rid of this yours sincerely, and we could have a different sign off as well. So anything with the percents becomes a placeholder and then becomes available as something down here. So you have yours sincerely. I'm hitting enter to mark that as a new option. And I could have another one. I look forward to not hearing from you. And have one particularly angry one. If you continue to email me, I will report you. So these are our different options. So that's our snippet. And then if we add that, then you can see that we've got a few different snippets going around, and so I'm going to be using some of these in our example. Now if we go back to Cyrus, and I'm going to open up my email program. In here we might have an email program. You can see it's actually entirely over Cyrus, and for instance if I wanted to go with our spam email, I could do the shortcut key to pull up Cyrus, which is Alt-Command-C. I could type in the word spam, hit enter, and now it's just the up and down keys to find which one I want, and let's go for the most angry flavour. So to unwelcome marketer, please take me off your email list. Not very angry, but I am no longer interested in your product. and then we could say, if you continue to email me, I will report you. And so now that's in my clipboard. I go back to my mail program and I just paste that in, and there you go. So that's an example of a sort of more complicated snippet. But obviously we can do all sorts of things with Cyrus. So I set up a few. So we've got different email templates. So just a simple email template. Brings that in there. And if I wanted just to find my work stuff, there's my work addresses. I might want to say take the work address. Or I've got my personal stuff, maybe put my phone number on. Don't know what sort of email I'm drafting here, but as you can see, it's quite easy for me to, as I am typing, so I could say my work email address is, bring up Cyrus, type in work email, hit enter, come back to my mail program, and I don't know, my home address is home address, put that in there. I want to put my phone number in at the bottom. There we go. That's a little demo of Cyrus. Thanks for watching. I hope you give Cyrus a chance to help you work smarter.